Welcome to the Team Corrali one-page manual video series. For best results, download the PDF file from the link below before watching.
Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to take out the steering links. It's probably one of the easiest tasks of the car maintenance. But before you watch this video, please check this one. It contains all of the basic information of how to work on this very buggy. Starting with step number 1, the first thing you need to do is to turn the steering. Be gentle, not to push too hard, not to break the servo. And we are doing this to gain the access to these screws from the top and of course from the bottom. Step number 2, we will unscrew the link with the 2.5mm screwdriver from the bottom and 2mm screwdriver from the top. If you want to replace this link, you need to take the bolts out of here. The easiest thing is of course using the shock pliers and simply push it out of its place. Alright, so everything is done as you can see. Now you can replace this part or tune it with adjustable tune buckles. Basically your call, and to put it back together simply reverse the steps. When you put it back in the car, remember to use a little bit of the thread lock, because here you have all metal to metal connections, and with the high vibrations it may come loose. Alright, so that will be it. As you saw, it was very simple task and probably one of the easiest of the entire car. That's it. Really, just only remember about the thread lock here, because during racing it may come loose and it will be very unfortunate to lose the steering with super high speed. Thank you guys for watching. Of course, please subscribe to this channel to see more videos like this. And of course follow us on our social media, Facebook and Instagram. If you need any help, contact us via support@corrali.com. And if you want to check this platform in details, visit word.corrali.com. See you guys!
Team Corrali, engineered to be the fastest.